Hi, Mike, and everyone over at Deer Heating and Cooling. My name's Christian. I'm with RenGen SEO, local digital marketing agency. Just wanted to shoot this quick video for you, give you some free tips and tricks on how you can increase your online presence all on your own. Three things we're going to talk about today: content, citations, and backlinks. The first of those being content. Google loves content. Content is king in the eyes of Google. But content is not just the words on your website. Content is also the pictures and how the pictures are saved, what's behind the pictures, alt tags, meta descriptions, site titles, etc. So when it comes to content, there's a couple things you have to remember. First of all, 1,500 words minimum is the magic number for the amount of words you want on your page. Any page that you're trying to rank. So like your contact us page and your about us or your financing, for example, 1,500 words is not necessary. But your service pages, you definitely want to have 1,500. I didn't put this through word counter, but I'm going to go ahead and take a guess and just say you're probably right at somewhere below 800 words. Definitely below 800 words on this main page. And then if we go over to your service page, looks like you just have one service page. Yeah, so I would say less than 500 words here. So not too many. I would highly recommend pumping that up. Also, looks like you just have one service page. So I know you guys are heating and cooling, but really what you should do is separate heating and cooling and have two separate pages, both with 1,500 words. And then Google's going to pick them both up separately so you can be ranked for air conditioning and also HVAC, heating, So either way, 1,500 words is the magic number. Also, I was going through your website and found that some of your photos are saved as just like stock photo file names, right? So like deer truck or whatever like that. But really what you need to do is you want to make sure to embed buyer intent keywords in all your photos. So you want to make sure that all your photos are saved with the correct content, because if you just have your photos saved as whatever the computer came up with, like image file 325, for example, it's not helping you on the back end. So you're going to want to go in, make sure that all your photos are saved properly, and you're also going to want to make sure to have the correct amount of content, which, like I said, is 1,500 words per page. And then next, so citation. So what a citation is anywhere on the web that your business name, address, and phone number is listed in various directories. That would include Facebook. That would include Better Business Bureau. That would include Yellow Pages. That would include Angie's List, just to name a few, okay? Those are directories, and those give you citations. The more citations you have, the higher up you're going to rank in this map pack. This is what we call a Google Map Pack. I typed in Dayton, Ohio HVAC companies because it looks like that's kind of where you're trying to target. We got Butler, we got Logan, we got Baker. This has to do with citations and how filled out their GMB profile is, but more importantly, citations. And then this is really where you want to be. This is where the majority of the volume is going to go to. And then if you take a look, if you're not in the map pack, you at least want to be ranking down here organically. And this is where your website and how you have your website done is going to come into play. So like as you can see, Tanner, which is right here, is not up here, but they're the fourth one down here. Well, that's because their website's pulling them in some stuff, some good stuff, some juice. But either way, so if you're not here, you want to be down here in the organic. And then we got the Best Rated, we got McCare, we got Butler, Bentley's, and you guys aren't here. And this has to do with your website, but for citations, this is the map pack. This is where you want to be. Next, so I have your map pack pulled up. A couple things I want to point out. Congratulations on the reviews. So you guys got 4.9 out of a 912 Google reviews. That's pretty good. So that's like something definitely to take pride in. So just congratulations with that. Other than that, you got your address, your hours, your phone. You can add your website down here, and that'll help draw traffic to it as well. And then lastly is these photos. So in your Google My Business profile, it looks like you have 8, 9. Okay, it looks like you have over 10. Looks like maybe 12 or 13. That's good. We recommend 10 minimum, but you want to make sure, like I said before, to have those photos saved properly with the correct content, because otherwise it's not helping you. And that's definitely one reason why you're not pulling up, and then also citations. But other than that, your profile is great. So just a little bit more work on this profile. Congratulations on those reviews. Get some citations, and you'll be ranking in this map pack for anything that you're trying to rank in. And then the last thing is backlinks. So what a backlink is anywhere on the web that your domain is at. So anywhere that deerheatingandcooling.com is at is going to give you a backlink. But not all backlinks are created equal. So this is a paid tool we use called Ahrefs. You actually have 316 backlinks coming from 65 referring domains. But because they're not all created equal, your domain rating is actually only a 4.6, and that's out of 100. So what that says, what that tells me is that your backlinks are not coming from the correct place. So you want to go in, find out where your backlinks are, and make sure that your backlinks are coming from other sites that are relevant to the business and that are not spamming. So if Google picks up that your backlinks are coming from spammy sites or sites that don't have to do with heating and cooling, it's actually going to dock you. And that's what's happening here with this 4.6 out of 100 rating. So check out your backlinks, make sure they're coming from the right place, get yourself some more citations, add some content, make sure to save all your photos properly, and you will be on your way to bringing in leads through this website. Contrary to popular belief, your website can actually bring you leads in and of itself. And another thing I like to tell you guys is that right here, it's best to put a fill form right away. You want to have a fill form right up front because the easier it is for a customer to give to type in their name and phone number and have it come to you, the more likely they are to fill it out and give you that business. So any questions or comments, feel free to get in touch with us. Otherwise, I hope you have a prosperous 2021, and I appreciate you watching. Thank you very much.